Hey guys, I'm Shawn of WebPianoTeacher.com. How you doing? Today we're doing Nowhere Man by the Beatles from the Rubber Soul album. I'm doing all the songs on that album, all the tracks. A lot of fun. Let's take a listen to it. Here we go. Then the band comes in there. So the beginning is the voices, as you know, and I just put the voices on the piano. I mean, there's nothing else we can play, so I figured we'd just play the harmonies there. So there's 3-note harmony, and we're going to start with that. So I'm doing the free part 1 lesson here on YouTube. If you guys like this, all the lessons are on my website, and you can also download my sheets as a member, so you can have the full sheet for this, not just this little part I'm showing. I teach how to play without having to read music. We use letters on a whiteboard, and we talk about, we don't dump anything down. In fact, we dig into the nuts and bolts of everything. Talk about chords and rhythms and technique, everything to help you be the pianist you want to be. All right, so he's a real. And you can hear, the melody, he's a real nowhere. That's the main melody we hear, and that's because that voice is turned up in the recording. All right, but there is a voice on top that's not voiced as loud. That's why you're hearing it that way, because in the studio you can, make one voice louder than the other, and that one, maybe that middle voice is more tuneful, so they decided to make that one louder, or maybe it was an accident. Maybe the top voice just was farther away from the microphone. They could make, sometimes that stuff happened back then. Whatever the reason, here are the notes, okay, for the a cappella part at the beginning. So G, B flat, E flat, and you can split this up between the hands however you want to do it, but it's an E flat chord. He's a real. So this one is still an E flat chord because it still has E flat, G, B flat. Now you know that, right? That a chord has 3 letters in it, and sometimes some notes will be flat or sharp or whatever, but that chord does not change if you change the order of the notes, okay? So an E flat chord has E flat, G, and B flat. No matter what order it's in, we can switch the order around. We can even double some of the notes, have 2 Gs and 1 B flat and 2 E flats. It's still an E flat as long as it has one of each, okay? So E flat chord 2 times. Make that smooth. He's a real nowhere. And so the next chord we have is a B flat chord, B flat, D, F. I'm going to play that. And then I go to F on the bass with C, E flat. And then the bass stays the same, and I change to B flat and D on the other top. So, okay, and then sitting in his know. All right, is the next phrase, okay? So we have E flat, A flat, C 2 times, bum, bum, bum. Then A flat, C, E flat, and you have it again. And then we go back to E flat chord, G, B flat, E flat. And that's F minor, F, A flat, C. And then an E flat chord, E flat, G, B. So make sure you don't blur those, okay? We have this wonderful thing on the piano called the pedal, and it helps us connect things, and it even will make chord patterns sound cool if we hold the pedal down. But it'll also ruin some great piano playing, so make sure you do not blur the pedal on these chords, okay? You need to change. My old piano teacher used to say, can you sing 2 notes at once? And the answer was always no. I said, then so don't. Hold the pedal over 2 melody notes. So change the pedal on each one. Pedal, pedal, pedal. Pedal, 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 pedal. Okay? And then here, right there, I put the bass in there. You'll find in my Beatles arrangements, sometimes I like to use Paul's bass lines. I'll put them in there because they're so cool and integral to the sound of the song. Many times I'll put it, and then sometimes if it's kind of complicated, I'll make it a little bit better so it works for piano. So anyway, at that point, that last measure, we look again. The bass comes in A flat, G, F, E flat. Definitely don't blur that with pedal. So the voices continue, and I put it in one hand. F, A flat, C. So da da, those are together, right, left, then the right does A flat, C, E flat by itself, and then F by itself, and then together on the last one. So All right, so there's your little taste of Nowhere Man by the Beatles, Rubber Soul. We're doing the whole album, and we're gonna do it one song at a time. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Talk to you later.